How to write essay on intercultural communication. Intercultural communication is an important part of everyday life in today's world. It involves understanding differences between people from different cultures and learning how to communicate effectively with others. The importance of intercultural communication. Intercultural communication is essential to our lives because we live in a global society where people come from different backgrounds and speak different languages. Understanding these differences helps us to better interact with other people and make friends across cultural lines. The importance of cultural awareness. In today's world, there are so many cultures represented by people who live in different countries. It's important to learn how to communicate effectively with people from different cultures. This includes learning about the culture itself, as well as the language used within that culture. The importance of understanding other cultures. If you want to succeed in business, it's essential to understand other cultures. You need to know what motivates people in those cultures and how to interact with them. Learning about other cultures will help you become more successful in business. The importance of being respectful. It's easy to make assumptions about different cultures based on stereotypes. However, these assumptions aren't true. People in different cultures think differently and behave differently than we do. In fact, there are cultural differences between countries that affect everything from language to food preferences. The importance of listening. If you want to communicate with people from other cultures, you need to listen more carefully. You should ask questions and try to learn as much as possible about the culture before making any assumptions. This will help you avoid misunderstandings and miscommunications.